Please watch the next segment for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from the City of South Fulton, Georgia Fire and Rescue Department, President of the International Association of Firefighters, Local 3920, Fire Captain Andrea M. Hall, for the reciting of the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
There's a cool dance called Tanikling. We use bamboo sticks to dance.
I've been playing taiko for 7 years.
I play taiko, I dance hula and tap.
I'm Chinese,
Sri Lankan,
Filipino,
Indonesian, and Korean.
I'm Japanese,
Indian American, the South Pacific.
My family came from Vietnam. My grandma teaches me how to make pho.
In here we have some cylinder seed.
I teach her how to make slime.
Holly is the beginning of spring, and my favorite thing is throwing colored powder.
What's great about being Chinese is all the food, like noodles, dumplings.
I love sushi.
My favorite is chicken adobo.
Chinese New Year is celebrated with a huge feast. Also, there's a huge dragon dance.
My name is Emily, and I'm a photographer.
I like to make games.
I like pizza.
I'm wacky.
I'm energetic.
I like to play basketball.
I have 2 snails.
5 cats.
I'm creative.
I like hitting the drum hard.
I'm a leader.
I'm stubborn.
I'm fun.
I paint.
I swim.
I sing.
I dance.
I'm busy.
That's me.
That's me.
That's me.
I'm proud of where I'm from.
There is a local school leadership meeting on Tuesday at 4:30 p.m. All are invited to attend. Catskill is having a virtual open house next Thursday. Thank you for checking in with your LAUSD Daily Pass. 5th grade culmination photos is scheduled this week. Please refer to the school website for the dates and times.
Good morning, Catskill Cougars. This is Mr. C coming at you live from our beautiful campus here on Monday, the 17th of May, with only 18 more days left of school. Can you guys believe this? Man, has this year gone by fast. But I am so excited because today's motto, as you already know, is attend to the end. So I want to see each and every student coming to school every day or logging in, whichever it is for you. But let's have 100% attendance for the rest of the year, Cougars. So let's announce our winners for last week, which is May 10th through May 14th. Let's start with pre-kinder in room 2, Miss Lee's class. Today's winner is Avalyn Tavai. In kindergarten, room 9, Miss Amador's class, with perfect attendance so far this year. Today's winner is Kiralyn Tuyo. In 1st grade, room 7, Miss Gann's class. Today's winner is Delilah Basto. In 2nd grade, room 16, Miss Escobar's class, with perfect attendance so far this year. Today's winner is Jesus Gonzalez. In 3rd grade, room 25, Mr. Miska's class, with perfect attendance also so far this year. Today's winner is Danielle Peralta. 4th grade, room 31, Miss Lopez's class, also with perfect attendance, is Victor Lopez. Finally, in 5th grade, room 27, Miss Koo's class, also with perfect attendance. Today's winner is Caitlin Juarez. Congratulations to all of our winners. Students, be looking for your prizes coming at you in the mail. And remember, attend to the end for our last 18 days. This is Mr. C saying so long and have a great week.
Good morning, Cougars. Happy Monday. In this week's Tech Tip, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of memes. And in our Shapegrams challenge, you'll be making another tasty treat that looks good enough to eat. You'll find this week's Tech Tip, along with all my Tech Tips, at bit.ly/TTWMC, Tech Tips with Mr. Collins. Have a great week.
Good morning, Catskill Cougars. It's Mrs. Kroger, your school psychologist. We're winding down the last couple of weeks of May, and it's getting really exciting to think about just what we're going to do over the summer. The past couple of weeks, we've been talking about self-care and wellness. We've talked about staying healthy by exercising and staying active and by eating healthy. Well, this week, we're talking about getting enough rest and sleep and also unplugging from technology. They kind of go together. Think about how much sleep you get. What time do you go to bed? What time do you wake up? You should be sleeping between 9 to 12 hours every night. And when you wake up, you should be feeling pretty good. But if you're not, how come? What are you doing before bedtime? Are you on your phone? Are you on a laptop? Are you watching TV? Are you playing video games? Well, technology at bedtime actually affects how you sleep. So for this week, we are talking about unplugging and getting enough rest and sleep. Okay, you guys, have a wonderful week.